Happy Sunday. So we are back at CVS for the start of another 2-week ad. This 2-week ad does feel a little bit slower than some of the past ones that we've been getting in the past couple of months. So if you are going to take some time off of couponing, I would say this is not a bad 2-week ad to do it on. But of course, I'm still here to bring you guys the best deals, and we're here to work with what we got. I'm still going to be posting a short form rolling extra care books video on here on YouTube Shorts and on my other short form platforms, which is TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. The same username that my channel is on here, kaylakoupons with a K. So if you want to check me out on there and follow me, definitely do that. I do post different content a little bit than what I post on here, and it's all short form. So if you want to check that out, definitely do. I appreciate you following me over there. Again, this week, I did not get any new CRTs. I just got the standard CRTs. So my predictions from last week that maybe during the new 2-week ad I would get something new was not true, unfortunately. I still think that they were probably testing out how that performed and then debating bringing it back permanently or semi-permanently. So I still kind of have hope that they're going to bring it back. I don't think that they were just doing it for a quick little promotional period. I do think that it was a test. So we will see. I'm holding on to hope. Let me know if you guys did get any other CRTs other than the standard. What I got was the, what was it? 4 off 25 Colgate, the 4 off 20 Garnier hair care, 6 off 24 Venus razor, 8 off 35 Gillette razor. Those basic high threshold branded coupons that we kind of continue to get. 3 off 15 Maybelline, but not the good personalized CRTs that we got for 2 weeks. I think it was 2 weeks ago. Again, let me know if you got it though, because if you did, not if you have a new account, but if you have an older account and you still are getting the personalized CRTs, not the standard spend CRTs, but better ones than that, dollar off one items on an older account, let me know so that people can be aware that maybe some accounts are still getting them. But my 3 accounts that I use, which is my boyfriend's, my sister's, and my own account, they did not get them again this week. So just a heads up. So with all that being said, we're still going to get into the best deals of the week. Let's go.
Easter clearance has hit 75% off for non-food and 50% off for food, so check out your store if you're interested in any of that. Ardell lashes are buy 2 get back a $5 extra buck, so what you can do is grab 2 of them at $5.19, totaling $10.38. You'd pay that, get back your $5 extra buck, making 2 pairs just $5.38. Revlon is buy 2 get back a $5 extra buck, so you can grab 2 of the nail polish at $6.29, totaling $12.58, and use the 6 off 2 CRT that everyone got. You'd pay $6.58, get back your $5 extra buck, making 2 nail polish just $1.58. Garnier Fructis is on sale for 2 for $9, and we did just get a $2 off 2 CVS store coupon and a 4 off 2 digital coupon, so that'll leave you to pay $3, making your final cost just $1.50 each. Tresemme Hair Care is spend $20 before coupons and you get back a $10 extra buck. So I'm grabbing 2 of the hairsprays at $5.99 and then 1 of the heat protectant sprays at $8.29, totaling $20.27. The account that I'm going to do this on did get a random $3 off hair care CRT. It did expire today or tomorrow, so it wasn't a regular good CRT, personalized CRT, which is a random CRT that showed up in my account. That happens sometimes with my accounts. Pairing that with a $5 off 2 digital coupon for Tresemme, I should be left to pay $12.27. Earning back the $10 extra buck makes all 3 products just $2.27. Neutrogena Acne is spend 10 get back a $5 extra buck, so you can grab the grapefruit wipes at $10.19 and use a $3.50 off digital coupon. You'll pay $6.69, get back the $5 extra buck, and that'll make your final cost just $1.69. Or you can also grab the acne patches as well. They're just slightly more expensive than the wipes. The 25 count Neutrogena makeup wipes are buy 2 get back a $7 extra buck, and they're priced at $6.99. So grabbing 2 totaling $13.98 and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon, you'd pay $9.98, get back your $7 extra buck, making 2 packs just $2.98 or $1.49 each. Axe Body Wash is buy 1 get 1 50% off and buy 2 get back a $3 extra buck. So grab 2 at $6.29, totaling $9.43, and use a 5 off 2 digital coupon, leaving you to pay $4.43. You'll get back your $3 extra buck, making 2 of them just $1.43. Dial hand soap is buy one get one 40% off, and buy two get back a $3 extra buck. So grab two at $3.69, totaling $5.90. You'd pay that, get back your $3 extra buck, and you can submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back, and that'll make your final cost for two of them just $2.65. If you do not already have Ibotta, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. If you sign up with my link, you will get a $5 bonus when you submit for your first Ibotta offer. Dove Men Plus Care body wash is buy two get back a $4 extra buck. So grab two at $9.49 and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and you'd pay $14.98. After the $4 extra buck back, it'll make your final cost just $10.98 for two. Degree deodorants are buy two get back a $3 extra buck. So one option is grabbing the regular deodorants at $6.29, two would total $12.58, and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $8.58, get back your $3 extra buck, and that would make two of the men's or the women's degree deodorant just $5.58. Now another way that you can do the deal is grabbing two of the dry spray deodorants at $6.99 each. So two of those for the men's or the women would total $13.98. Again, use the 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $9.98 and then get back your $3 extra buck. And you can submit to Fetch for 1,000 points back per dollar that you spend on Degree dry spray deodorants. So theoretically, you should get back the full $9.98 in points, so 9,980 points. So that would basically make your final cost free plus a $3 moneymaker after paying $9.98, getting $9.98 back on Fetch, and the $3 extra buck. I will have Fetch linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment. If you do not already have it, you will get a $4 bonus when you sign up right now with that link and submit for your first Fetch offer. Axe deodorant is buy one get one 50% off, and buy two get back a $2 extra buck this week. And I did check at the Redbox machine, and the $6.99 regular deodorants are included, even though they're not tagged and not showing in the app or online as participating. So two of those would total $10.48. You can use a 5 off 2 digital coupon. You pay $5.48, and then you'll get back the $2 extra buck, making two of them just $3.48. CVS Health bandages are buy two get back a $5 extra buck, and included are the character ones. So you can grab two of the bluey ones, for example, at $3.79. Now with the 20% off Care Pass, they'd ring up for $3.03 each. So grabbing two, you would pay $6.06, get back the $5 extra buck, making it $1.06 for two, or just 53 cents each. You can grab this Bactine for $8.59. It's buy one, get back a $5 extra buck. After the extra buck and getting back $2.80 on Ibotta, that would make your final cost just 72 cents. Now getting into a spend 30 get 10 scenario, you can grab the Tide Pods for $13.49, the Gain Liquid for $5.49, the Dawn, the Big Dawn dish soap for $5.99, and then in place of the 2 count of the Febreze Small Spaces, I put 2 individual ones, but you want to grab the 2-pack that my store was sold out of or doesn't carry. That's $6.49. So those 4 items would total $31.46. We have a $3 digital for the Tide, $1 for the Gain Liquid. We have a 50-cent digital for the Dawn, and a $3 digital for the 2-pack of the Febreze Small Spaces. And you pay $23.96, get back your $10 extra buck, making all 4 items just $13.96. You could also do this deal by grabbing 2 of the Scott toilet paper at $9.99, the Gain Liquid at $5.49, and the 2-pack of the Febreze Small Spaces at $6.49, totaling $31.96 for all 4 items. And you can use a 2 off 2 digital coupon for the Scott, $1 for the Gain, and $3 for the Febreze. You would pay $25.96 and then get back your $10 extra buck, making all 4 items just $15.96. Heads up, there's a really good deal on OxyClean. They are on sale for $1.99 each. That is a huge discount down from the regular price. For this one, it's regular at $4.99. And the single small bottles of Arm & Hammer are also on sale for $1.99 each. Purex detergent are on sale for $9.99 for the big ones. Buy one, get back a $3 extra buck. And I did hear that some people got Ibotta rebates. So check your Ibotta account. If you did get a rebate, it may be worth doing. And check out your store for laundry and cleaning clearance. My store was pretty much wiped and not a lot of tags were up, but I've seen that a lot of stores have a ton of clearance in the laundry aisle. If you want to grab Well Market snacks this week, a lot of them are on sale for $2.49 or $2.99. You can use a 2 off 8 Well Market or Gold Emblem CRT, and that would make for a really good deal. I'm going to take advantage and grab some popcorn this week. So into my rolling transactions in this first one, I did the Axe body wash and the CVS bandages. My $5 digital for the Axe and my Care Pass discount came off, and I paid $10.49 plus tax. And then I got back a total of $8 in extra bucks. I then took that $8 in extra bucks and rolled it into the back teen deal. So using my extra bucks, I paid 59 cents and then I got back my $5 in extra bucks and I submitted to Ibotta and got back that $2.87 Ibotta rebate back. I rolled that $5 in extra bucks into the Neutrogena acne deal, grabbed the wipes, used my 350 digital coupon and the $5 in extra bucks, and I paid $1.59 and then got back my $5 in extra bucks. I rolled that $5 in extra bucks into the Dial deal and I paid just 90 cents and then got back my $3 in extra bucks and I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got back 25 cents on there. And finally, I rolled that $3 in extra bucks into the Garnier Fructis deal. So with my 2-off-2 CVS CRT, my $4 digital, and the $3 in extra bucks, I paid nothing. And that is the end of my rolling scenario. And then on a separate card, I did the Tresemme deal. So my 5-off-2 and my $3 CRT came off. I used $11.30 in extra bucks and then paid out 97 cents out of pocket. So $12.27 total out of pocket between extra bucks and cash. Got back my $10 extra buck, making all three items $2.27. And then I did do the Well Market deal. So I grabbed the popcorn and used my 2-off-8 CRT and it came off fine. And I also grabbed something else that I needed to grab, some salt, and I used my $10 in extra bucks from the Tresemme. Okay, and finally, I did try out the Degree Dry Spray deal with the Fetch offer. So I paid $9.98 out of pocket, did not use extra bucks to pay because I didn't want it to mess up with my Fetch. I got back my $3 in extra bucks, submitted a Fetch, and I only got like the points for the one item with the $4 discount. So I did submit a ticket and let them know I should have gotten 9,980 points back. So I am assuming they will correct that, and then that'll end up making this transaction free plus a $3 moneymaker after the coupon, the $3 in extra bucks back, and the $9.98 in points back on Fetch. Let me know your experience with this offer, if you've done it and what you got, or if you had to correct your receipt. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS deals video. I actually grabbed quite a few things, even though it was a little bit of a slower week. Next week will be the exact same extra care book deals as part of this 2-week ad. So I will catch you guys next week on Sunday for a new video.